Challenge problem, fraction in lowest terms. So we're asked to put the fraction 168 over 378 into lowest or simplest terms. For large numbers like this, it's best to have a few divisibility rules up your sleeve. So these are rules that tell you whether a number is a factor of that number. So here are some for 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. 2 is a good one, because if the last digit is an even number, that means 2 can go into it. So we can ask, is this divisible by 2? Yes. They both end in 8. It's even. So let's have 168 over 378. Let's divide the top and bottom by 2. 168 divided by 2 is 84. 378 divided by 2 is 189. And we can ask the same question again. Is this divisible by 2? And the answer is no, because they're not both even. So what about by 3? Let's look at the divisibility rule for 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so we have 123, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, so we say it's divisible by 3. So let's try that here. So for our numerator, we have 8 plus 4 gives us 12. We could even break that up again. 1 plus 2 is 3. But with the 12th, you would maybe know it's divisible by 3. 189, we could add that all up. That gives me 18. I could even break that up again. 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3. So yes, the whole thing is divisible by 3. 84 divided and over 189 divided by 3. 84 divided by 3 gives us 28. 189 divided by 3 is 63. We could ask again, is it divisible by 3? So again, if we add up the digits, and if that's divisible by 3, it is. But 2 plus 8 is 10. That's not divisible by 3, so we already know the whole thing isn't. Let's look at 4. That's if the last two digits are divisible by 4. So 4 doesn't work. 5, it doesn't end in 5 or 0. Let's look at 7. Because 6, it would need to be by 3 and 2, and we already know that's not true anymore. So look at 7. This is a weird rule. I'll try to break it up. So what you actually do is you take the last digit, the first digit, so 8 for 28, and you add it to itself, gives you 16. Then you subtract the tens place. So 16 minus 10 is 14. That's divisible by 7. Same thing for 63. We add the ones place, and then we subtract it from the other. That gives us 0. And that actually works because, 0 is included with that, because 7 times 0 is 0. Great. So that means 7 could go into both 28 and 63. So we divide by 7, divide by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 63 divided by 7 is 9. And that is the fraction in lowest terms. Again, I don't use the sevens one in practice that much, but having some of these is a good start.